Who is Ergio?
Who is Ergio? We are a passionate wood manufacturer since 1993. Ergio Wooden Construction has been active in the wooden construction market for over 30 years, working at high-quality standards and extending into the market with partnerships worldwide. Our mission is to use wood to build an ecological and sustainable future. Our vision is to reduce the carbon footprint through the improvement of efficiency of the material and the technologies used in construction. The process starts in the marketing and sales department, where the first discussion occurs. From the moment the project idea takes shape, the offer is prepared upon receipt of the architectural drawings, and any specific requirements or optional elements are discussed. Our wood design and engineering department aims to make every project a challenge, considering design aspects and structural part. We use CADWork, the market leader in software solution for wood construction. Following comprehensive discussions and meticulous drawing, the product is successfully moving into the manufacturing phase. We aim to offer the best possible solution to our business partners, not only by selling a product, but also by giving them the certainty that they made the best choice by working together through the entire process, providing updates at each step.
At Ergio, we use an integrated production management system to ensure compliance with the terms of execution and quality of the delivered product. The program provides precision and efficiency in the execution of the parts and guarantees the shipment of the completed product. Every element is individually controlled, both manually for manufacturing defects and with the help of ARP for quantity control. Our factory is constantly working to maintain high standards. That is why we pay close attention since the beginning of the manufacturing process by drying the wood material properly. We use treatments to increase the durability of wood that comes into direct contact with the ground or is located in areas with excessive humidity. Ergio products are made from certified raw materials. By utilizing CNC and robot machines, we're able to manufacture products that meet even the most demanding standards, delivering consistent quality and high precision. The Hundegger robot drive machine has a 6-axis unit, which makes it able to process the wood on all sides at different angles and inclinations. Our goal is to add value to your company, and here's how we do it. We incorporate sustainably sourced wood in our constructions, and we use every piece efficiently. This means our buildings have a lower carbon footprint than those made from non-renewable materials. Wooden constructions can be assembled quickly and efficiently as we prefabricate the components off-site and assemble them on-site. The panels produced in the Ergio factory are equipped with high-performance insulation, thermal and acoustic. These elements are assembled on a CNC machine which uses pneumatic press and nail guns, ensuring this way better resistance of the wall panel. Our technology utilizes advanced joinery techniques and fastening systems to strengthen the panels. All these details increase the resistance of the whole construction in the event of an earthquake or extreme weather conditions.
And because the wood industry is constantly developing, it determines the future to be challenging. At Ergio, we are always pushing the boundaries of wood industry, focusing on innovation and offering unexpected ways of using wood. Ultimately, we want our business partner to discover in each collaboration a new potential. We offer a wide range of custom construction built to meet each client's specific preferences, including residential homes, modular construction, mobile homes, commercial building, and residential buildings in 3 construction systems: timber frame, Nordic system, and beams and pillars. Let's build the future together, one panel at a time.